Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about substitution. In layman's term, it means to replace. So you can substitute butter for oil when cooking. In mathematics, we substitute a number for a variable. A proper definition for substitution is the process of replacing a variable with a given numerical value. Example 1. If x is equal to 2, then calculate 3x plus 2. So we substitute 2 where you see x. So wherever you see x in the equation, you'll put 2. So you get 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2. 3 by 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 8. Example 2. Given that L is equal to negative 2, M is equal to 3, and N is equal to 7, we find the value of Lm, open brackets, M minus N. So wherever you see L, you'll put negative 2, M 3, and N 7. So you'll get negative 2 multiplied by 3, open brackets, 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Negative 2 by 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 4 is equal to 24. So the answer is 24 when you substitute.